Welcome back to the Wizard Tower project. This is our final tower, the Beastiary, part 2. And last time we got started on our terrain board that will hold our beasties. And since then I've added some more rocks to the cave, and I haven't touched any other part yet. I've just ordered a very special tool that will really bring this board together. And I also have to add some flocking to these trees to add to the board, but that will have to come after I get this tool. So for now, we are going to get started on the inside of our tower. And I'm still not sure about the outside, so any suggestions, let me know. Here I'm getting started on the floors for the tower, and actually I didn't end up using these circles. I did what I always do and I measured out the tube because it is really squished. It's more of an oval than a circle at this point. For these floors I'm going for a stone tiled look. So I used a ruler to measure everything out, and I made a deeper cut with my crafting knife. I go over that with a pencil to widen the lines. And because we want this to look like stone, I'm texturing with a ball of aluminum foil. And while we're at it, I used a column jig that I got from Shifting Lands. And I think I'm going to use this as the entrance to the portal to go to our little bestiarium. But I still need to make more for that because I want to paint a picture of the terrain and have that between these columns, so still lots of work to do. This is all I had time for today. Thanks for watching, and like and follow for part 3.